Hey everybody, Alex here with Type Studio. So everybody needs a screen recorder at some point in their life. You need to capture what's going on your screen, and you got no way to do it. Until now. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you Type Studio's free and easy to use screen recorder and webcam recorder. What can it do? Honestly, what can't Type Studio do? Also, it's all online, so no need to download anything. So first, you're gonna go to our website, typestudio.co. It's also linked in the description down below. There you're gonna sign up for a free account in the top right. Once in, you're gonna start a new project. Then click the button that says record, and it should bring up a webcam and screen recording page. You'll probably be greeted by your own face, like this. So, hi. Hi, Alex. Go ahead and click on screen, and a Google pop-up will pop up, offering you a number of options. You can choose between either entire screen, the window, or the Google Chrome tab. I personally am gonna choose window, so that the only thing that's shown is my Type Studio window. Once chosen, it's gonna show you the screen that's gonna be recorded once you hit that record button, so just make sure it's the right one. Then also make sure that your microphone is correct as well, if you're gonna be doing any voiceovers over top of the screen recording. You can do that by going down to the microphone settings right here. Click that button. To start recording, click that big red record button, and a timer will start counting down from 3 to let you know when the recording has begun. While recording, you have a choice of a number of options. You can pause the recording, restart the recording, or completely stop and delete the entire recording altogether if you want. Hopefully you don't need to do that and your recording goes smoothly, and if it does, once you're done recording, you're gonna click the big red record button once again. This will end the video recording and a window will pop up asking you to verify the language that is spoken throughout the video. This is so that the program knows what language to use when starting to transcribe and upload your video into the editor. In the editor, you can cut the video if you'd like or add some graphics. All of that is explained in the video that is pinned above. So if you'd like to learn about that, go ahead and click on that video right there. But for now though, we're just gonna go up to the top right and click the export button and then click download video to let it render and export. After rendering out on this page, you can either share this shareable page by making it public and copying the link right here, and you can send that to whoever you want, or you can just click the download button and the video will be downloaded right onto your computer. And that's it. That's our online, easy to use Type Studio screen recorder and webcam recorder. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit. You don't have to download anything, don't have to upload anything. All is done right there on the website itself. Hopefully you can use this to the best of your abilities and record whatever you need to record and get some audio and voiceovers and all that crazy stuff. And speaking of crazy stuff, wouldn't it be crazy if you would just, hit that subscribe button? We would greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time into this YouTube channel, and I'm really looking to hit 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, so one of these days, But if subscribing's not something that you like to do, which thanks a lot, but what you can actually do is you can go to our social medias and click the follow button there as well. That's nice and easy and simple. We post a lot there too, and it's not all just my face, so you get a lot of different content. Also, you get updates on all our new features. All right, now that I'm starting to mumble and stumble through my words, I think it's time for me to kill this video or stop this video. See what I mean? This is getting bad. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.